get a day start. I am very happy to be present here today for opening the new building of your university. All that you have said about this new university, which is only 6 years old, is commendable in many respects. Although you have not had adequate equipment and the necessary wherewithal in the beginning, these serious shortcomings did not discourage you. In right earnest, you started the work. One might feel sorry, but I am sure no one will feel surprised to know that in its 7th year, this university does not possess departments in subjects like Sanskrit and English on the side of arts and physics, chemistry, anthropology and geology on the side of science. I need not say much about the importance of the Sanskrit language, which besides having its own vast treasure house of knowledge, is the mother of the present day Indian languages of the north. The study of English language and literature is also essential for a university student, for it is a language which many in our country have been cultivating for the last 200 years and which is recognized as a medium of international expression by virtue of its being the language of a number of countries. Equally important is the study of chemistry and physics, which are in a way the basic sciences which go to form the foundations of all technical and scientific knowledge. As for anthropology and geology, these two subjects have special significance for your state. Inhabited as your state is by a number of tribal people speaking different tongues and having different customs and possibly belonging to different ethnic group. No other state in India provides such favorable conditions and opportunities for the study of anthropology as yours. In respect of geology also, I feel that its study should have special importance for the University of Guwahati for the benefit of not only Assam but the whole country. Assam is so rich in mineral wealth which is yet to be tapped, and so far as the production of oil goes, your state has its virtual monopoly in India. I am glad you have not been discouraged by these shortcomings, but you are endeavoring to create department in these subjects as early as possible. I have not the last doubt that the government of India will on their part do all that is possible to enable you to do so.